Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Sugar Sus Crypto. On this video, I present to you Viviana and Mariah.
Hello everyone.
And they're gonna help me break an article down written by ccn.com. 20 trillion US dollar debt will inevitably lead to big crypto boom. Prominent investors. Make sure to like this channel and subscribe, my friends, and make sure to share, spread the word. Awareness is great because it wakes people up to the dollar is doomed, guys. The dollar is doomed. You hold $100 today and it'll be $90 worth tomorrow. So let's jump into this.
So tell us, what could possibly cause a big spike in crypto?
Shapeshift CEO Eric Voorhees said that the growing debt of the U.S., which hovers around 21 trillion as of November, will inevitably cause a big spike in crypto. When the next global financial crisis occurs, the world realizes organizations with 20 trillion in debt can't possibly ever pay back and thus must print instead. And thus fiat is doomed. Watch what happens to crypto. Voorhees suggested that to repay the national debt, the government and the Federal Reserve will be forced to print more fiat money, leading to inflation and decline in the purchasing power of the US dollar.
What other major financial institutions are concerned about the national debt of the US?
Major financial institutions including BlackRock worry. The world's largest assessment manager with more than $6 trillion in asset under management is the latest major financial institution to express concerns regarding the rapidly increasing national debt of the U.S. The conglomerate CEO Larry Fink stated that the U.S. government is heading towards a supply problem due to the country's increasing budget deficit beginning next year. Fink noted that the U.S. could be forced to borrow $1 trillion a year. The rising inflation rate of the U.S. dollar, as shown by the growing interest rates of the Federal Reserve, has become too high to sustain the economy. That could be the real issue related to everything, where we have interest rates becoming too high to sustain the economy with its growing rates. BlackRock CEO Larry Fink said that.
What Nero Rabini, professor at NYU Stern School and a cryptocurrency skeptic, is saying about this topic.
Nuri Rubini is emphasizing that the interest rate has increased to a point in which the U.S. economy cannot match with this growth rate. Second, because the stimulus was poorly timed, the U.S. economy is now overheating and inflation is rising above target. The U.S. Federal Reserve will thus continue to raise the federal funds rate from its current 2% to at least 3.5% by 2020, and that will likely push up short and long-term interest rates as well as the U.S. dollar, Rubini said, predicting a major financial crisis by 2020. If a financial crisis is to occur by the end of 2020, as predicted by many economists in the U.S., primarily due to overly high interest rates set forth by the Federal Reserve, then the U.S. dollar could drop substantially in value and open up investors to store of values such as gold and cryptocurrencies, whose value is not dependent on the global economy.
What will happen in next 10 years?
Ving Lingham, the founder of Civic and a partner at Multicoin Capital, said that more wealth would be created in crypto in the next 10 years than the past 10 years, despite several largest corrections the market faced and will continue to experience in the next years to come. More wealth will be created in crypto over the next 10 years than over the prior 10 years. But remember, like any success story, it's not going to be a straight line up. Keep believing and just be patient. And so do we recommend keep believing and just be patient. Guys, we're still early on the development on the crypto. Crypto is just the beginning, okay? Make sure to subscribe and hit that like. This is Sugar Sus Crypto, and take care.